Hello and welcome. Thank you for tuning in to our Cornea Revolution-Motwani Lasik YouTube channel. Up next, we have such a sweetheart. She came all the way out from the Midwest to have her RK cornea repair here at Cornea Revolution-Motwani Lasik. She called and made her experience what she called the superstar treatment. And if you're looking for that and getting your RK fix, come see us.
I'd like to take a minute just to recap my procedures so that I can share just a little bit more about my journey here at Cornea Revolution. So first of all, I came last October, and in October is when we did the rebuilding of the corneas. I did need some glasses to help me through the next few months. When I returned in February, I came in for vision correction, and things went really well that second time. I could see really good. About 4 months later, I started to see that some of my vision was fading just a little bit, and I needed to use cheetah readers in order to make it through the day. And that brought me back here this month in July. Kind of gives you a progression of time as to how my procedures went. Today, I found out I need to stay one more day because the epithelia on my left eye didn't heal as the right eye did. So I'll stay one more night, and I'll come back tomorrow morning to get that bandage removed before I fly home. I did not experience pain throughout this time. I will tell you, I slept a lot, and that was really nice. But that's the best way to heal in my book. So though that area of it went really smooth. As far as life-changing, geez, I really wanted to share this with you. I am a financial advisor by profession, and I gotta tell you what a boost to my self-confidence when I'm not only introducing myself to a new client, but working with current clients, and I don't have to change glasses for the computer and glasses to be able to see them. I just love it. It's really great. I've never liked the glasses on my face because the frames never seem to agree with my skin, so that also is a plus for me. Also taking in the full colors and crispness of leaves and the 4 seasons at home and being able to see things so clearly is just really awesome. If you have questions about this procedure, I encourage you to call Cornea Revolution and find out more. And if you need a cheerleader, have them get you in touch with me. Thanks.